Welcome. Take a moment to settle in, to find your center. Let's take a journey together, a journey inward to a place of peace and tranquility. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Feel the warmth around you, the gentle embrace of a safe space. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension, any stress. Feel the weight lift off your shoulders, the calmness settling in. Imagine yourself walking along a quiet path. The air is cool and refreshing. Each step you take brings you closer to serenity. The path leads you to a clearing in a lush forest. The light filters through the trees, creating a dance of shadows and light. In the center stands a small, inviting cabin, its windows glowing with warm light. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can truly be at peace. Step inside and feel the warmth envelop you, the sense of calm that fills the space. Step inside the cabin. Feel the warmth envelop you like a soft blanket. The air smells of cedarwood and pine, a comforting aroma that speaks of nature's embrace. You are safe and secure here. The sound of rain gently pattering against the roof fills the air. In the distance, you hear the low rumble of thunder, a comforting reminder of nature's power and serenity. Walk further into the cabin. There's a comfortable armchair by the fireplace. Sink into its plush cushions, feeling your body relax deeper with each exhale. You notice a mug waiting for you on a small table beside the chair. It's filled with your favorite warm beverage. Wrap your hands around the mug, feeling its warmth radiate through you. Take a slow, deep breath in, allowing the aroma of your drink to fill your senses. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Listen to the rhythm of the rain as it falls against the windows. It's a steady, soothing sound, like a lullaby whispering peace and tranquility. Let the sound wash over you, carrying away any worries or anxieties. Observe the warm glow of the fireplace, the flickering flames casting dancing shadows on the walls. The warmth of the fire not only illuminates the room, but also creates a comforting atmosphere that invites relaxation. The crackling sound of the burning wood adds to the serene ambience, making you feel at ease. Feel the soft texture of the blanket draped over the back of the chair. Its plush fabric is inviting, offering a sense of coziness and warmth. Imagine wrapping yourself in this blanket, feeling its gentle embrace as it shields you from the chill of the evening. Notice the gentle breeze carrying the fresh scent of rain through a nearby window. The raindrops create a soothing rhythm as they tap against the glass, a natural melody that calms the mind. The sight of green trees through the rain-streaked window adds a touch of nature's beauty to the scene. The rain outside grows heavier, the sound more intense. Each drop seems to echo the tranquility of the moment, creating a symphony of nature's elements. The heavy rain is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. The rumble of thunder draws closer, a deep resonance that vibrates through the air. This powerful sound, though intense, adds to the feeling of being cocooned in a safe haven. The thunder's deep, rolling sound is both awe-inspiring and comforting. Yet, you remain safe and secure within the warm embrace of the cabin. The cozy interior, with its rustic charm, provides a perfect sanctuary from the storm outside. The cabin's ambience, filled with warmth and comfort, makes you feel protected and at peace, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in this sensory retreat. Take one final deep breath, feeling the support of the chair beneath you, the warmth of the mug in your hands. Let the warmth seep into your fingers, spreading a gentle heat through your body. Notice the comforting weight of the mug, grounding you in this moment of serenity. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, your spirit is at peace. Imagine the serene forest at sunset, the golden light filtering through the trees, casting a magical glow on everything it touches. The tranquil body of water reflects the sky, creating a mirror of calmness. This cozy cabin in the rain is your sanctuary, a place you can return to anytime you need a moment of peace. Listen to the gentle patter of raindrops on the roof, a soothing symphony that lulls you into a state of relaxation. The raindrops on the window create a mesmerizing dance, each drop a reminder of nature's gentle touch. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this feeling of tranquility with you into the rest of your day. Let this sense of peace be your guide, helping you navigate through any challenges with a calm and steady heart. Remember, this sanctuary is always within you, a place you can visit whenever you need to recharge. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Have a wonderful day. May you carry this tranquility with you, spreading peace and calmness wherever you go.